Welcome back to another unboxing video where I make old family recipes. This month's time isn't real. This recipe is a good plain cookie with plain being spelled incorrectly. None of my roommates are home, so I thought this would be a great time to test out some new stuff. And then when they do come home, they can have some cookies and we don't have the awkwardness of me recording and them being in their rooms, because you can hear anything and everything in this apartment. A heads up, I'm probably gonna be pretty quiet. I am gonna be listening to the Husker game that's going on. It is game day, it's like halftime, so hopefully we win. And we're making lots of stupid mistakes. What else is new? Let's get started. Why? just come out. This is the most boring halftime show. They're talking about enrollment rates at UNL. Heck yeah, promoting our girls volleyball team, which is really, really good actually. I know volleyball terms. I watch volleyball anime. This is a lot of lemon. I'm not a Spartans fan, but I find it really cute that the commentators keep calling them the Sparties. I forgot to preheat the oven. So, because yeah, this recipe actually tells me for how long to cook it and at what temperature. 450 degrees for 10 minutes. This feels like a lot, but okay. I couldn't find any like smaller containers of sour cream, so this is just gonna be for everyone in the apartment, I guess. Now, the recipe does say to like roll it flat, and I'm assuming then you like cut out the cookies and put them on the cookie sheet, but instead, I'm going to just use a cookie scoop. Thank you, Mom, for the new cookie scoop that hopefully should work better than the old one I had. Thank you, Mom. All right, so I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 10 minutes and we'll see how it goes. It'll probably need longer because these are supposed to be rolled flat and these are round, but I'm assuming that especially at 425 degrees, this should be a starter. All right, BRB. I have Annie here. She came home. The cookies are out of the oven. They've been chilling for a little bit. I think they're a little overdone. My theory is that the ovens back in the day were less powerful because it said 10 minutes at 425 degrees, which is a little outrageous. The last batch I did 10 minutes, then I did 9, then I did 8. I think in the future I might just do like the normal 10 minutes at 325. Annie wants to try them. Here we go. Okay. Lemon and vanilla.
They're not very sweet.
No.
Mild flavor.
The recipe calls them good plain cookies. An accurate title. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to not interact with the video, and I'll see you next time with another unboxing video. We're tied in the fourth quarter. I don't know if we won yet, so.